Okay, Shrikant, first of all, tell me what is your GATE score?
Sir, my gate score is 360, sir.
300?
360.
60.
360.
Okay, right. So what are the different opportunity you got till now?
Uh, Sir, offer letter, sir, interview call, sir.
Interview calls.
Sir, from starting or the present ones?
No, starting from starting, please review from starting.
Sir, from starting. Okay, sir, from starting.
I know you got many calls, but you need to remind it. Don't worry, take your time.
Yes, sir, I have written it's. I
Okay.
have, what are the interviews and what are the
What is your category? General category.
OBC, sir, OBC. Sir, on first interview, I have attended it on May 12 from
Okay.
IIT Gandhinagar.
Okay.
That is for MTech. Actually, I applied for four specializations. Two
Okay.
specializations, I gave two preferences, and
Okay.
there was only one interview. I attended
Okay.
it. After June 4, IIT Hyderabad under self-sponsor category integrated sensor systems. After
Okay.
that, on June 10, IIT Jodhpur sensors and IoT.
Okay.
After that, June 10, IIT Jodhpur cyber physical systems.
Okay.
Uh, Next June 11, IIT Jodhpur Artificial Intelligence, same under
So these all were
self-sponsored
for
category.
self-sponsored or through sponsored?
No, sir, under self-sponsored category only, sir. All of these are.
Okay.
Only IIT Gandhinagar was for regular MTech.
So there you in IIT Gandhinagar you got call for four departments.
Actually, I need to give two preferences. Uh,
Okay.
and for the two preferences, there was only one interview, sir. Based on a single interview, they were dividing by themselves. Professors are
Okay.
giving their choice.
Okay. Then further.
On June 15th, IIT Hyderabad PhD. PhD
Okay.
specifically under VLSI domain, sir.
Okay. So this was for sponsored one, right?
Sir, PhD is regular, sir.
Okay.
Regular PhD under VLSI
Okay.
domain.
Okay. Right.
Then on June 15th only there was from IIT Tirupati MS written test, sir.
Okay.
MS written test for semiconductor and nano electronics specialization, sir.
Okay.
So actually I qualified the written test and I selected for the interview.
Okay.
The interview was on June 17th, sir.
Okay. Right.
Then on June 18th, IIT Tirupati MS course for communication and wireless networking, sir.
Okay. Right.
That is the last interview, sir. On June 18th, that was my last
Okay. So
interview,
can
sir.
you count these all interview? What is the total number of call you got?
Sir, up to now it is 8, sir.
It is eight call. Okay. So what were your latest interview experiences? Please start with those one by one.
Sir, latest on June 15, IIT Hyderabad PhD interview, that is regular PhD, means direct
Okay.
PhD after BTech.
Okay.
PhD under VLSI domain, sir.
Okay. Right.
Actually the interview was through Google Meet.
Okay.
There were three professors.
Okay.
Sir, 1 second. Sir. Yes, sir. So actually after every interview, I read the questions, sir.
No. That's great. That's great.
Yes, sir. Then there were three professors, and one of the professors asked me to briefly introduce myself.
Okay.
And this, after introducing myself, then he started briefly explain about your project.
Right.
Uh, then I explained about my project, sir. Then he said he did not ask any question from that, but he said, okay, it is good. Then he asked, sir, actually before the interview, there were like there was like first there was document verification when we were in panel.
Okay.
After document verification, the student who is coordinating there asked me, do you want device panel or circuits panel for interview?
Okay. Okay.
I said I want circuits panel for interview.
Okay.
Then the panel, then he gave me a link for to attend the interview for circuits section.
Okay.
Um, After joining, he asked these normal questions like briefly introduce yourself, briefly explain about your project. Then
Okay.
again, he gave me a chance that do you want to be interviewed in analog circuits or digital circuits?
Okay.
Then I said, sir, digital is, I thought it was easy. So I said, sir, digital circuits.
Okay.
So there were like two professors. One is expert in analog domain, and
Okay.
another professor, he is expert in digital domain.
Right. Right. Right.
So asked the professor who is a expert in digital to ask me the questions, and that
Okay.
digital professor started me asking me that. Uh, he asked first like a basic question, sir. Means he said that you are directly from BTech. He asked me when you are pass out. Then he started asking me what is the difference between combinational circuits and sequential circuit.
Okay.
So I answered him correctly. Then he started asking like, sir, they're like problems, sir. They gave me problems and like that, sir. He asked if cos theta 1, cos theta 2 up to cos theta 100, there are like 100 cos angles. How many minimum number of address lines required for the address bus? This was his
Okay.
question, sir.
Okay.
So uh, okay, sir, this was his question, and he asked the minimum number of address lines required.
Right. Right. Right.
So, sir, then, sir, I substituted. Why did I took n? I don't know, sir, but I said him, it is 2 power 8 and it is 256. Then he said, no, 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 check the answer correctly, and he gave much more time for me to think. At
Okay. Right.
last, I said for him that the minimum number of address lines is 7. So he said,
Okay.
okay, it's good. Then he said that if theta is given to you, how will you implement cos theta? By using the digital electronics blocks which are available.
Okay.
So,
Theta is which is given to you.
sir, if theta is given,
Okay.
means if theta is input to a
Okay.
block, then we
Okay.
need to find cos theta.
Okay. 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 Okay.
So, sir, I was thinking, then I got an idea. Means he was like friendly, sir. Means he is saying that don't think this as interview. Let us discuss the subject. He said before, sir.
Okay.
So
Okay. Right.
it was like continuously discussion. So I said for him that, sir, we can use expansion, cos theta expansion to implement this. Means after
Okay.
thinking some time, then he said, okay, good. Uh, so you are saying that we can implement it by adder, subtractor, and multiplier,
Okay.
and divider also. So he gave me hint. I said, yes, sir, we can implement it by adder, multiplier, and divider.
Okay. Right. Right. Right.
Uh, so he said, okay, it's good. Uh, then he said that if I do not give you a divider, how will you implement it?
Right.
So then I started thinking, and then I said that without dividing, we can do directly the multiplication of that constant. So yes, because if it is 1 by 2, then we can it multiply with zero 0.5, no, sir. It can be
Mm-hmm.
converted into multiplication.
Okay.
So then I said that we don't need a divider. We can just
Okay. These
multiply
all
the
question
numbers.
were asked by the digital mentor, right?
Yes,
Digital
sir.
circuit.
Yes, sir. Completely digital part only, sir. Because I selected
Only
digital
all the
circuit.
question were asked from the digital domain.
For me, they asked completely from digital only, sir. Hello.
Okay. What were the other question?
Then he said that I said for him that we can multiply it with a constant, no, sir.
Okay.
If we do not give a divider, I can use a multiplier. Just by multiplying, we can get a cos theta. Then he said that if in the denominator I have a variable, means in the expansion we'll be having x square by 2 like that, no, sir.
Okay. Okay. I got your
So,
point.
so he
Right.
said
Right.
that if there is x by y, so divider is required or not required. That is his
Okay.
question. That means
Okay.
numerator variable, denominator variable.
Right. 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 Right.
So,
Right.
sir, I was like confused. Then I thought
Okay.
for long time he was also supporting me. Think, you can do it. You have good thinking capability. Think. He encouraged me, sir. Then after a long time, then I said that, sir, we need a divider for sure, sir, because both are varying. X is also varying and Y is also varying.
Right,
So,
right, right.
for this to implement, we need a divider for sure. If both are varying, then he said, okay, you have answered these digital questions. Then he asked, do you have knowledge of Verilog, VHDL, and
Okay,
FPGA implementations?
okay.
So I said that, sir, I am directly from BTech, so I don't have knowledge about these
Much
things.
detailed knowledge of these also.
Yes, sir, detailed knowledge of these things. Then he said, do you have knowledge of microprocessors then? I said, yes, sir. Then he said, what is it? He asked the question, what is the difference between floating point and fixed point representation?
Okay,
So I answered him this, sir.
okay,
Then that digital circuits professor was satisfied, sir. Uh, then he gave chance for the analog professor to ask me the questions,
okay, right.
sir. But there was a problem that it was not a problem, but the analog professor who sat in the panel, actually, that person asked me the questions in integrated sensor systems interview, sir.
Okay, 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 okay,
He is the only professor who asked all the questions for me in integrated sensors, sir.
okay. So he was
So,
knowing you.
sir, he directly identified me, sir. He said that I interviewed you during the integrated sensor systems. Uh, then he asked if I gave ISS integrated sensor systems and PhD for you, what will
Okay,
you choose? Sir, then I said, sir, yesterday only, before that day, I received offer letter, sir. ISS integrated sensor systems. I received offer letter. So I said for him that, sir, actually I have received offer letter
okay.
yesterday
You
only.
thought if I say here PhD, they might cancel your offer letter.
Sir, just I said that I have got that seat, sir. But I said that I got that offer letter under self-sponsored category. But
Mhm.
if you give PhD, I will continue this PhD because under self-sponsored category it is costly, no, sir. The payment is huge, no, sir, there.
Okay,
But
okay, okay.
if I choose PhD, it will be considered under regular.
Right, 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 right.
So I said for him. Then that Amit Acharya, his name was Amit Acharya, the person who interviewed for me digital circuits.
Okay,
Then he was shocked that I attended in ISS interview also.
okay,
That the sir, I was what I should say. I did not understand, sir. Means that professor already interviewed me about all the analog questions. He interviewed me in ISS only.
okay,
So it was like they were laughing. I said, sir, if you give chance, I will join PhD.
okay,
Otherwise, MTech is there.
okay.
Then they
Then,
said, then they said, okay, let us, we will think. Then he said, but he said that Amit Acharya, the person who interviewed me for the digital,
for digital, right, right.
for he said that if I give PhD for you, will you be doing cope up because you need to complete lot of coursework, you need to learn Verilog, all these FPGA implementations, VHDL. So I said, yes, sir, I can cope up, sir. That is the reason I'm interested towards the subject, so I'm ready, sir. I said. Uh, so they said, okay, it was good interview. Then they said for me to leave the session, sir.
Okay, right, right, right.